Guys, today I'm doing a review of these humble potato chips. This is organic sea salt apple cider vinegar, and check it out. This is the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. If you want to read it, pause the video. Let's open this up. Alright, so here it is. Let's do a quick taste test here. It's not bad. But the you can definitely taste the apple cider part, but it's not that strong. And the salt isn't that strong, but definitely check it out, guys. It's not bad. And it's more on the drier end, so it tastes like it's less less oily. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos.